Hello, welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today we'll be unboxing, installing, and using my new lawn striper. Stay tuned. If you like my content, please like and subscribe below. And if I have any current giveaways, I'll pop that up in the toolbar above. Ready? Oh yeah. Bigleague Lawn Striper. Thing is a beast, it's heavy. Like, heavy duty. Those are the two things that came in this box. Is the lawn striper itself and the hardware. Hardware doesn't look like it's too difficult. Looks pretty straightforward. Gonna look over the instructions and then we can go over kind of what we're looking at. We can get into the actual assembly process. Assembly, you'll need a 9/16 wrench, 7/32 Allen head that they actually do provide, 3/8 inch drill bit or a fluted drill bit, and a drill. You have those, you can basically get it done. Looks like we're just going to be putting it in the lowest setting on the back wheel. We are going to go ahead and 3/8 inch drill that. Going to place our 3/8 inch nylon lock nut back behind the pivot bolt. Then it looks like we're going to do that on the opposite side, and then we're going to use our Allen wrench to go ahead and secure it, and then the actual bolt that goes onto the striper itself. Once it's done, it'll sit right underneath your bag. When I say this thing is decently heavyweight, almost 17 pounds. Thing is built to last. To answer a question that I actually have had for a while with this system, I thought this would actually be super rigid and like in place, wouldn't have any give, wouldn't have any flex or anything to it. It's made to just move up and down. So as you hit bumps and stuff, it just contours to the bumps. Like it doesn't just sit in place. It's 17 pounds obviously, so it's a little bit stiff to move, but as it's rolling, it can move, it flexes. So as you make turns and stuff, it's not a rigid set, it actually moves right along with it. In the instruction, it actually tells you to allow it to have a 1/4 inch turn back so that it actually has that play built into it. Makes it really nice. Using it, I'm really impressed with it. I'll give a full review after I've striped a few times, but after the first one, I'm extremely excited. I would really love to hear what you guys have to say about it. Give Bigleague Lawns a shout out. Let them know what you think of their product. Let them know if you're gonna be purchasing. Leave it in the comments below. I do wanna hear. This is something that will be a game changer for your yard. This is from Bigleague Lawns. It's the Checkmate system, and with this Checkmate, I'm almost gonna say it's game over.
Hey, are you taking video of the fire for your YouTube channel?
I sure am.
Sweet.
I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn, maker
lit.
green.
We'll do them
It's
another
kind of
night.
dark. It's kind of hard. I mean, I know you're supposed to do them when they're dark, but
Yeah, sparklers.